After powering on, add pure water to the water tank. Add water from the water injection port. Then add it to this standard area. This location is fine. After adding water, turn on the main switch of the machine. Then turn on the water tank switch. Wait until the water temperature rises above 20 degrees. Turn on the laser switch again. Below 0 degrees in winter. Replace the water in the water tank with antifreeze. If it is pure water, change it every 2 months. How to install wire feed? First, connect this protective line. Connect to this protection line interface. The above is the power supply for the wire feeder. Connect to wire feed power interface. Above is the signal interface of the wire feeder. Connect here. Connect the machine one side and the wire feeder the other side. After connecting the wires, connect the gas. This side connect the gas bottle. Then turn on the gas pressure. Let's talk about how to install this wire feeder. First, open these two pressing wheels. Look at the diameter of this wire feed wheel and the wire diameter. Then look at the wire feed wheel with the number 1.0 on it. The other side is 0.8 millimeters. If we use 1 millimeter welding wire, then just turn it over and put 1.0 inside. Remove the welding wire fixing buckle. Install the welding wire. Pass the first wheel. Second wheel. Send out the welding wire. Then install the wire feed tube in the next step. Attach this end to the wire feeder. Install it in this position. Tighten it with a screwdriver. Then press the pressing wheel. The other end is directly stuck on the gun head. After installing the welding wire, then click this to start feeding wire. Send the silk out here. Then after the welding wire is delivered, just put the welding wire into the center of the welding tip. The installation is complete. Laser power is to adjust the size of the laser. The swing length is the width of the laser out. Generally, the wire feed speed can be adjusted to 9 to 12. No other changes are needed. After open machine, then open the swing, open the light output and wire feeding. Connect the ground wire. When welding, the red dot of this laser point is the width of our laser. The gun and the workpiece are at an angle of 45 degrees. Then click the switch directly. There will be a pushing movement.